out in plain sight. Hi guys, I hope you're all well. Today, reality check here from my side in Hamburg. My thoughts, what is happening to the town, how it has become unrecognizable to some extent. Just sharing my thoughts. As I will be traveling a lot, going to Spain, to Budapest, to other towns, I would like to capture contrasts, and as I don't have much time here left in Hamburg in Germany, in my hometown, I would like to capture and document such contrasts for me. It's a beautiful day here in Hamburg. It's in the morning, and here's some of the snippets of the town. Check out this lovely place in the middle of the town. Drug facility, outdoor, financed with taxpayers' money. They build the facade around so you don't see it. Typically for politicians. Mask the problem, don't even treat the symptoms, not to mention the underlying problem, the underlying cause. Lovely place. Yeah, reality check is not nice to see that you have such a facility right in the center, financed with taxpayers' money. Pretty much the mecca of a drug center, working and functioning like a magnet, bringing more crime, more drugs into it. Insane. I mean, it is really awful. Everything smells like urine, drugs everywhere, constructions everywhere. Out in plain sight. Yeah, it's really disgusting. I wonder where the police is here. Drug consumption everywhere, outdoor. It's so obvious, you see it everywhere, and no police, nothing. And as you see, here's the sign not to use a knife. I'm in the main station of Hamburg, and you cannot use a knife here. That's the law. The shield, the yellow shield behind me. It's so bizarre. So here, main station, you cannot use weapons, but after you leave the main station, you can use it again. Weapons, pistols, knives, whatever. Just doesn't make it make sense. Jesus Christ, I remember growing up here, walking freely in this area. It's unrecognizable. Can you imagine what's going on here at night? It's another world, really. The problem here at night is it's squared. It's not multiplying, it's squared. Unrecognizable. So tons of people just loitering around. Nasty. It's just insane. Everything smells like rotten. It's not clean. It's not nice. It's just disgusting, full of drugs. People lying around everywhere. The problem is the police, it's all evident. The police is not doing anything because it's not incentivized to do anything. You're not gonna make money off drug people, homeless people, even risking your life or your security when you can make money off people parking wrongly. So it goes back to incentives. And then construction everywhere. Construction everywhere. Wherever you look, construction. I wonder how much politicians make of this yearly, where the whole city is full of construction. Construction again. Usual suspect just loitering around. This is what reality looks nowadays here. Reality is empty city, empty stores. Has also to do with how online business and digital consumption solutions change our world, but more loitering, more homeless, less stores full, everything more pricey. And again, construction. Wherever you look, non-stop. One thing that I really notice is people are being lethargic. Not really focused, no motivation, ambition, heads down. Focus maybe on their phone, not really being present. Whatever they do, construction workers, being served at the coffee place. the restaurant, walking around. Don't get me wrong, Hamburg doesn't have the kind of friendliness attitude. People are not in general really friendly here, but it's not what I'm referring to. I'm referring to people are lethargic, maybe struggling, heads down, trying to make ends meet and putting their head down. What is your view in your country where you're from? Do you feel the same vibe? I mean, just something I noticed here walking through the streets and the city. So my perception is I didn't sign up for the scam. I've been paying lots of taxes for the last 20 years into Germany for this advanced economy. And usually where I'm assuming the tax income for the government doubled or tripled at least in the last 20, 30 years, you would expect also that the quality of life, the advancement in the economy is going up, talking infrastructure, innovation, education, health system, and so on. Neither of that, nothing of that is recognizable. It's rather the opposite. Everything is getting down in service quality, security, everything smells bad, rotten, lots of urine smell, safety concerns, healthcare costs are exploding while the quality of service is going down. Decay of infrastructure. It's just, I didn't sign up for this. And this tells you everything about the mismanagement, political mismanagement of this country. You don't need to be a rocket science engineer, PhD, economist, and so on. It's obvious the political class is failing us in all aspects. The worst is that they took my children's future here. Hence, I'm leaving. There's no future here. The system is broken. And also for me, the reality is it doesn't feel like home anymore here, being in Hamburg, in my hometown, my birth town. That's the bittersweet reality. This isn't home anymore for me. So I need to relocate and restart, rebuild a future.